Have you ever wished mowing your lawn felt less like a chore and more like a smooth, quiet experience? This might be your lucky day. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your yard work routine, the Litheli Cordless Lawn Mower. A powerful, battery-powered beast that promises a clean cut without the noise, fumes, or hassle of gas mowers. Let's be honest, lawn maintenance can be exhausting. Lugging around a heavy mower, dealing with messy fuel, pulling cords that never start on the first try. But what if there was a better way? This Litheli mower comes packed with dual 20-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries, giving you extended power and runtime. Plus, the upgraded brushless motor makes it 40% more efficient than older models. That means smoother cuts, less vibration, and quieter operation. Oh, and it's only 30 pounds, so maneuvering it around your yard is incredibly easy, even on slopes or around tight corners. With 6 adjustable cutting heights, you can customize your lawn's look, whether you want it short and tidy or a little more lush. And the 17-inch cutting deck means fewer passes and faster jobs. Want to mulch or bag? It does both with a simple switch. During my tests, I was impressed by how quietly it ran and how effortlessly it handled overgrown grass. No pull cords, no fumes, just push the button and go. It's clean, efficient, and ideal for small to medium yards. So, should you consider this mower? If you're tired of gas-powered frustration and want something lightweight, quiet, and efficient, the Litheli Cordless Mower is a fantastic choice. Whether you're a seasoned lawn care pro or a weekend warrior, this mower fits perfectly into a modern, eco-conscious lifestyle. Let me know in the comments. Would you switch to cordless? And don't forget, I've left the Amazon link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself.